All right, good evening, everybody. Welcome to the break tonight. I want to thank everybody for paying on time, paying actually very quickly. That way we could have the break tonight. Here is the teams that are bought. If you see your name here, you're on the right break. All right. With that, let's just zoom a little bit closer here. All right. Here's the date and time. It is, you see that right there, 10:44 Saturday, September 1st. Okay. Here are the boxes, the two Timeless Treasures from Panini. They're all sealed. And here are the two boxes of Inception, and they're both sealed. Okay, so with that, let's get started. Let's do the Timeless Treasures first. Good luck to everybody. There's a checklist. Alright, somebody already saw the first card, but there you go. We already saw the first card. Here it is. It is a Steven Jackson. Rams. That's numbered. Oops. Mess. Numbered. We'll look at the numbers afterwards, alright? That way we don't see the other cards. We're going to show the other cards over here. So it's Steven Jackson. Next card is a Hall of Fame Marshall Faulk. Next card, I don't know if you guys saw it, was already a hit. Here it is. It's Von Miller for the Denver Broncos. Patch auto. Next card is in Randall Cobb. Patch rookie. Okay. Next card is a patch. It is Roddy White. And your final card is a Steve Johnson. Okay, for the Bills. All right, let's look at the numbers. This is numbered 66 out of 89. The Roddy White is numbered 58 out of 115. The Randall Cobb rookie is numbered 24 out of 250. The hit here, Von Miller auto patch, is numbered 6 out of 100. The Marshall Faulk Hall of Fame, that's an extra card there, that's not numbered. And the Steven Jackson is numbered 386 of 499. Okay, that's the first box of Timeless Treasures. Good luck once again. Checklist. Okay. First card is a Dwayne Bowe, Kansas City Chiefs. Second, the Marshall Faulk Hall of Fame. The hit here is Jonathan Baldwin, Kansas City Chief auto patch. Next card is a patch of Josh Cribbs. Next card is a Matt Ryan, red patch there. Nice card there. And the last one is a Brett Favre, Legends, for the Minnesota Vikings. Let's take a look at the numbers here. Brett Favre is numbered 478 of 499. The Matt Ryan is numbered 113 of 190. The Josh Cribbs is numbered 72 of 99. The Jonathan Baldwin is numbered 36 out of 100. It's not numbered. And the Dwayne Bowe and the Chiefs is numbered 402 of 499. Alright then. We're done with the Timeless Treasures 2011. Let's go now to the Inception, the first box. As you can see, it's sealed once again. Good luck to everybody. Right there. Well, I'm glad football's finally here, huh? Okay, first card is a Detroit Lion, Matthew Stafford. Not numbered, base card. Next is a Mike Wallace, base, Pittsburgh Steelers. Next, it's a Ryan Matthews, number 125 out of 252. Next card, it's a Vincent Jackson with Tampa Bay Buccaneers, number 24 out of 50. Next card is a Nick Toon from the New Orleans Saints, auto rookie, number 15 out of 25. Okay, next card is, look at this, Jarius Wright, Minnesota Vikings. Jarius Wright, and I don't think that's numbered, but let's take a look at the last card and we'll go back to see if it's almost numbered. It is a Kobe Fleener for the Colts, number 17 out of 75. Double patch there, double color patch. That's for the Colts. And I don't believe it is numbered. No, it's not. But it's a Jarius Wright, Minnesota Vikings. Jump patch there. Alright, down to the last box. Okay, first card is base card Frank Gore, San Francisco 49ers. Next is an Andy Dalton, Bengals. Next one is Namukan Sue, Detroit Lions, 61 out of 252. Sorry for the background noise there. Okay, next card is a Ben Tate, Texans, 71 out of 75. It's a green. Next card is another Ram, Chris Gibbons. It's a nice 1, 2, 3 color patch, rookie auto for the Rams. That's not numbered. Next one, it's a rookie. Wow, look at this. Brian Broyles. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 color patch, rookie auto. Nice hit there. And the final card is a Miami Dolphins, Lamar Miller. 1, 2, 3 color patch, 49 out of 75. Lamar Miller. So these two rookie auto patches, nice 2 cards, but they're not numbered. Nope, they're not. But 2 good looking great cards. Alright, with that, I want to thank everybody. I'm going to mail these out on Monday. Post office is closed tomorrow. Thank you all for bidding again, and keep an eye on my future breaks. Thank you.